Okay, here's the drone show. Those are all drones up there. I had to get out of the crowd. It was like there was too many people. You couldn't move. But it's been changing shapes. It's telling a story.
Yeah.
Something about a little tree. I think we're seeing it from the side. Oh, there. Now we're starting to see the tree. And the star on top.
You gotta be careful.
Oh, great. I was where you could actually hear what they were talking about, but you couldn't see it because of all the trees. But on a side note, my daughter is selling her flowers. Oh, look at the star. It's amazing what they can do with drones, huh? Pretty awesome. I think you need to be at the end of the lake.